In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do peer reviews in Canvas. Once your professor has assigned you to review somebody's work in Canvas, you click on the assignment in Modules or wherever the professor put the assignment. You may also be able to find it under To-Do List here, so you can also check here. So click here and you will see this interface here. You need to click on View Feedback, and you can start to comment on your peers' work by using various tools here. So this allows you to point to the place and make comments. You can just move the points here anywhere. You can highlight, you can just type some text on this peer's work. You can strike out certain sentences. You can, draw free-form annotations. This one just allows you to select an area and comment on it. If this window is too small, which is for me, you can just expand it so that you can see the full screen mode. When you're done with it, you can just go back to the normal mode. If your professor asks you to use a rubric, you need to find rubric from here and then start to enter grades and comments for various criteria in the rubric. And once you finish marking your grade, make sure you save this comment. Okay. You can also make a general comment about students' work here, either by typing it or you can record a video showing what kind of problems there are or what kind of strength there are in this particular work. And once you finish commenting, make sure you save it. And that's how you do the peer reviews.